12. Address your agent. It's critical to take note of that there might be other expense investment funds to be had, notwithstanding the ones depicted in this article. As a matter of fact, that is the reason it frequently checks out to inquire as to whether there are any unique limits the organization offers, for example, for military staff or representatives of a specific organization. No one can really tell what kind of markdown estimating may be accessible for your conditions. 13. Change to pay-as-you-go insurance. In the event that you're a protected, low-mileage driver, a use-based protection program, otherwise called black box protection, might be accessible to you. For example, Allstate's Drivewise, 9 Progressive Snapshot, 10 or State Farm's Drive Safe and Save. 11 By pursuing these projects, you let your guarantor track your passing through a telemetric gadget introduced in your vehicle in return for potential limits in light of the amount you drive, when you drive, and how well you drive. In the event that you travel less than 10,000 miles every year, you could possibly set aside cash with this kind of program. 14. Research additional discounts. Guarantors give an assortment of limits. Check for limits, for example, these offers to allow you to pay the whole yearly or half-year premium without a moment's delay. Arrangements to get e-bills and documentation. Enrollments, specifically associations or gatherings that proposition limits. Try not to be influenced by a considerable rundown of potential limits. Think about both rebate and normal costs from different backup plans. 15. Ditch coverage you may not need. You may not require every one of the extravagant accessories in a strategy, like emergency aids and vehicle rental inclusion. Go over your insurance contract line by line and get some information about eliminating anything you needn't bother with. Check with your visa organization to check whether they offer emergency aids advantages to cardholders, which could permit you to drop this component from your accident coverage strategy. The bottom line: the cost of accident protection is probably going to keep on ascending from here on out. Notwithstanding, there are numerous things you can do to decrease the sting. These 15 hints ought to make you drive in the correct bearing. Recollect additionally to contrast the best vehicle insurance agency with observe the one that accommodates your inclusion needs and financial plan. Contend risk-free with $100,000 in virtual cash. Put your exchanging abilities under serious scrutiny with our free stock simulator. Rival huge number of investors.